Two arrays are shown, the first being a set of positive fractions, and the second a set of positive integers arranged in a logical and similar order. So here we have 1 over 1, 2 over 1, 3 over 1, 4 over 1, 5 over 1, 1 over 2, 2 over 2, 3 over 2, 4 over 2, 1 over 3, 2 over 3, 3 over 3, 1 over 4, 2 over 4, 1 over 5. But then we have this one here, and so if I follow this, it goes in this order. So the question is, when both patterns are continued, an integer in the right array, that's over here, will correspond with the fraction 2, 6. So what is that integer? So what I have to do is I have to expand this left array. So we have 6 over 1. So we have 5 over 2, 6 over 2, 4 over 3, 5 over 3, 6 over 3, 3 over 4, 4 over 4, 5 over 4, 6 over 4, 2 over 5, 3 over 5. Whoops, nope. Nope, that's right. 4 over 5, 5 over 5, 6 over 5. Not there yet because we want 2 over 6. So that means we need to go down one more. So 1 over 6, 2 over 6, 3 over 6, and so on. Okay. So now let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, I should just be labeling this, shouldn't I? That would make a little more sense. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Actually, there would be a 22 down here, but then we would come back up and we would have 23 be that number right there. So there is our answer. That's how we use this array to follow this pattern to get 2 over 6.